If you tell about the better education, so most of the people and the students are taking the name of DU School. The DU School is located in Chandigarh, and DU School is the one of the lead school in Jaipur. And the common platform in the DU School is the DU is a name that develops competence and builds commitment, bringing you the power of education. This is the common slogan by the DUPNs. Those are success in the 10th and 12th examination they are telling. Then as a management committee member, what is your feeling in this case?
I have been with this institution since the origin of the new public school, and in this period I have interacted with the staff, students, and also have got the chance to have interview with the guardians also. Since long, as a new public school, completely based on quality education, aiming at quality education, and the motto of the institution is for the holistic development of the child, and it is also a common view now.
And one thing is, the aim at working on each and every child to ensure that he or she may be able to contribute his or her best for the glory of our nation.
Yeah.
That means if you think about the DUPS, that is the DU Public School, is able to prepare dynamic and caring citizen of tomorrow to meet the challenges of global society while retaining their traditional values. Do you think this vision of DU Public School will bring and it will correlate with our new limelight of the NEP 2020?
Yes, NEP 2020 is based not only on the academic development of a child, rather it put emphasis on that is the skill development. And as for the DU school curriculum, we see for the skill development programs are introduced here, and the students, those who are here, I have also interacted with some children. How do you feel here? First of thing, their feeling is homely. Second thing, they are very loving. They are loving the institution, not only for the site of the school, rather the behavior and the so-called affection of the staff, for which they become fearless, and this fearless condition created by the staff, they definitely develop the skill among them, and the staff specially looks after the inner quality of a child, what they say.
And sir, one thing is that is the DU Public School, if just we are asking our principal, Mrs. Sujata Mahapatra, that we are discussing with the principal, that they are telling the academic excellence has always been the hallmark of DU Public School.
Yes,
and school is committed to providing a comprehensive education which seeks to develop the students into academically proficient, morally upright, and socially well integrated individuals. And they are telling our methodology is LMMP. The L stands for the learning, M stands for methodology, M for the motivation, and the last one she is telling that is the practice. Do you think the motivation is essential for the betterment of the students' development?
Yes. One thing is that motivation, why it is needed? Motivation is a part of every civilized child. Unless one learn how to motivate. First thing is that as we see in the business career, people motivate some others and create their business. Similarly, to form a beautiful society, to form to the youth in the nation, for that, so motivation is a strong willpower. Unless there is strong willpower, one cannot motivate someone else.
And sir, one thing is in Jaipur district, it is the lead school in this way.
Yes.
It is in ISO 9000:2015 certified, affiliated to CBSE Delhi up to senior secondary classes, and it is managed by Mahavinayak Educational and Welfare Trust. And considering all the things and the background of the school since 2 to 3 years, that is the result is 100% and it is maintaining till now. Do you think that the people of our locality should get this benefit from the DU school but a better education?
Why not? One thing is that we have been with this school, and we mark that the career development of the DPNs especially, and they are not, that means not only result oriented, the moral education they get here with their academic part, and the academic side is very good, so that they are able to keep that name, that is best in the district where we get. For this year result, I am very much proud of being a member of this management, that we have 100% result, and there to be 100% first class result.
And one thing is, do you think this process of this result is maintaining since the affiliation? Do you think what is your confirmation that the next year or the years to come, that school will maintain the same percentage or the more percentage in course of time for the betterment of the students?
I hope so, because always I see the hard labor of the staff as well as the management, especially the director and the administrator. They are giving such so-called they are giving so-called that what we can say, inspiration to the staff.
That you are telling the motivation.
Motivation, yes.
Intrinsic as well as the extrinsic, like motivation.
That is part of motivation, and that is resulted in the result of the students every year. And especially, they have given focus on the learning point as well as for the other side development of the students, all sort of facilities, that is from the sports side or from the cultural side background, everything is developed simultaneously. And this is one thing, that's a good student always is a good player and also good at art and science. And we have been seeing all these things in this school since 3-4 years. There's the academic that is the result. The output is so much attractive, and entire district, if we compare you with the other schools that are in this those are in this district, we see that the quality of the students is far better.
And they are telling the 100% quality and innovation belongs to us. In the study material, they have given that is we care, we inspire, we convergence for the bright future. Do you agree with this statement?
Yes, I do. Here actually the first thing that we care. As per my knowledge is concerned, I see randomly I check, and I see that each staff member is at a proper care, and each staff member suppose standing behind the student, and that is the careful nature which is proved. Second thing is inspire. I have come across with some programs specially every year, and I see there the inspiration the students get from their teachers, especially in the different field, not only academic. I focus on the point that also to be inspired. That is both in, we have seen that the students of these schools have participated the district-wise, statewide, as well as national competitions, and they have come out first, and they have come out successfully in those things. That is due to the inspiration of the staff.
Okay, thank you. So your nice statement for the students which is present in our locality, and they are reading mainly the DUPNs. I hope they will do better in the future. Thank you, Dr. Samal, for the nice statement and the inspiration for the students of the DU school, that is DUPNs. Thank you.
Thank you.